Hi everyone, this week we've got the same car three different ways. These are all three Cadillac CTSs by Kyosho. This is the second generation CTS, came out in about 2008. The first generation replaced the Catera, the Cadillac that zigged. These are pretty nice. These are I think Chinese dealership models. That's why they've got the white taillights that ours don't have in the US. Some really nice features. The little spare tire area which lifts up. Again, this is all carpeted. This is the base 3.6 liter V6 CTS. You've got a scale hood strut. Dog legs though, but beggars can't be choosers. The sunroof is functional, which is pretty neat on these. Not the most common feature. Much more common on a lot of these Chinese models, it seems. Doors open. We have carpeting. Overall, nice quality model. I certainly got a very good deal on this because this was free. Diecast, I think, Exchange magazine featured my collection a decade ago when I had all of 300 cars, and this was the prize for being featured, was a diecast car. So this probably retailed for about a 159, 179, so pretty good score. Let's see. What is the marking? Nothing exciting. I say it's from Kyosho because every time I see these on eBay, they're referred to as from Kyosho. Maybe it's just they outsourced it or something like that, but I'm still calling it a Kyosho. Next up, we have a CTS-V, which, in terms of semi-affordable dream cars, my dream car is a CTS-V wagon with a stick. Unfortunately, they go for about $65,000 used for a low-mile one, which is about what they sold for brand new. Same details as the sedan, the base car. We obviously just have different wheels and tires, different grille, and if you notice, it is an open mesh grille, which is always appreciated. We have obviously a much better engine. This is the LSA, which was the supercharged 6.2 liter, 556 horsepower from memory. This also has fold-in mirrors, which again is a nice detail, semi-common on these Chinese dealership models. The seats are more heavily bolstered Recaros. The Recaro seat was an option on the V's. Sadly, they did not make a diecast of the V wagon, which is the one I would want most. But it is what it is. And again, this is always referred to as a Kyosho whenever I see it on eBay, so I'm not really sure of the backstory. And then recently, I was offered the Coupe. I got the sedan for about, the V sedan for about 50 bucks. Again, goes for like 200 on eBay, so at that price, I'm certainly not mad at it. This Coupe, though, I got recently, last week, which is why I'm reviewing all of them together. I feel like the Coupe is different enough looking that I could justify having three models so similar. Also, this again was a good score at about 60 bucks. It was a local score. We have the folding mirrors again. We have all the same features, which I already showed you because they're basically the same cars. This I paid, I think, 60 bucks for, which again, when this goes for almost 200 on eBay, is a pretty good score. This one, the sunroof tilts up, which is kind of neat. Different wheels than the other two. Packaging, I'll just show you one. It's really not exciting. It's a black box, styro inner. The box was a bit beat up, and that's one of the justifications for the car being so cheap. I mean, I'd rather have slightly beat up packaging than no packaging at all. So that's it for this week. I think we need to change things up a little bit for next week. How about some off-road vehicles? It's a little different. So tune in, like, and subscribe. Have a good one.